welcome to
The Great Amazing.
Tell me, please, if you know what this animal is, because I can't figure it out. Is this a cow? Or maybe a deer? No, that's right, it's a moose. A moose is a special kind of animal that has been around for a long time on the earth. They came about in the time of the Ice Age, when animals like the saber-toothed tiger and the mammoth and the woolly rhinoceros were living here on earth. All of those animals are extinct. That means there's no more of them around. But there are plenty of moose around. And a moose is a very interesting kind of animal. It can close its nostrils to dive underwater. Did you know that? Don't you wish you could do that? I have a special song that I want to share with you about moose and how interesting they are, and then we'll start our story about a little boy and a moose and why you should never invite one into your home.
Beware the hoof and watch the ridge line. Surface of the marsh is smooth, polished flat like glass. Something stirs the water with the shadow of its back. I'm a ghost, straight survivor, relic of the past. My shape the result of genetic evolution past. The saber-toothed tiger, the dire wolf and the mammoth. I'm a 1,600-pound herbivore, 6 feet at the shoulder, heavy antlers on my head and sharp hoofs. I'm a ungulate, don't be surprised if I stay out in the cold, sleeping on the ground in the ice and the slush. When it's jacket weather for you, it's too hot for me. I thrive in the frozen, I'm built for the cold. If you think I fear the predators, you got another notion. I ain't never been afeared of the claw, tooth, or barrel. I'm a moose on a tundra, colder than the slush. Don't bring the heat or the system's gonna crush. I'm munching pine weeds through the brackish briar patches, and I'm dozing in the frozen trees, hidden within the shadow. Yeah, I'm built for hostility, yeah.
If you give a moose a muffin. Oh, a moose. He's got moose moss to eat.
Hey, that's just what they eat and feed with the big-hearted moose, with the moose and the moss and the moose that he munches, the moose moss. It's the same, it's a moose in a story.
For Antoine, Nahem, Jennifer, Santos, Brian, and Gresto. If you give a moose a muffin, we may not recommend this. That is a wild moose. They live outdoors, and now it is indoors. They almost have shoes. Their feet are so funny.
Sharp hoofs, I'm a ungulate.
He'll want some jam to go with it, so you'll bring out some of your mother's homemade blackberry jam. Oh, look at all the stuff spilling on the floor. You're gonna lose that cabbage. When he's finished eating the muffin, he'll want another, and another, and another. When they're all gone, he'll ask you to make more. Making muffins at home with your children or grandchildren is a time-honored tradition. But what do you do to keep your muffins from ripping in half when you try to take them out of the paper? It's time for your muffin pan to get an upgrade. This silicone muffin pan by Brony Pro is the answer. It's a carbon steel pan that won't bow or warp over time, made with food-safe silicone that is free of PFOA, PTFE, BPA, and lead. The video reviews speak for themselves. This pan allows you to make incredible muffins and egg bites that release perfectly every time. No stick, no mess, easy to clean after. Check out our affiliate links in the description below. We earn a small commission if you buy through the affiliate link, which helps the show. You can get $3 off if you order before May 3rd. It makes a great gift for Mother's Day. You'll have to go to the store to get some muffin mix. He'll want to go with you, of course. When he opens the door and feels how chilly it is, he'll ask to borrow a sweater. It's pretty normal, you get cold outside. When he puts the sweater on, he'll notice one of the buttons is loose. Oh no, a loose button. We can't have that. He'll ask for a needle and thread. He'll start sewing. The button will remind him of the puppets his grandmother used to make. Oh, he tipped over the vase of flowers. He's making kind of a big mess. Well, so he'll ask for some old socks. He'll make sock puppets.
When they're done, he'll want to put on a puppet show. The mouse and the moose, he'll need some cardboard and paints. Oh, look at that. They're gonna make a puppet show stage. Then he'll ask you to help make the scenery. Oh, fun. Look, we're painting. We got the boom box out. I tried to make a robot out of one of these once. It was my dad's. We used hammers. You can't make a robot out of one of those when you use hammers. It broke all up. When the scenery is finished, he'll get behind the couch, but his antlers will stick out. So he'll ask for something to cover them up. You'll bring him a sheet from your bed. When he sees the sheet, he'll remember he wants to be a ghost for Halloween. He'll try it on and shout, "Boo!" It'll scare him so much he'll knock over the paints. Oh, what a mess. Oh.
Making muffins at home with children builds their confidence and wonderful memories with you. But what if you don't have any recipes? Or the ones you find online are so full of pop-up ads that you can't find the ingredients list, or what to do with them after? All you need is Super Simple Baking for Kids. It has a whole section on muffins in Chapter 3, plus a lot of other things. This is a book geared toward young bakers, and it's a great reference for getting started in the kitchen. Check out our affiliate links in the description below. We earn a small commission if you buy through the affiliate link, which helps the show.
Oh. So he'll use the sheet to clean up the mess. Oh, look at that. He wiped it all up. Then he'll ask for some soap to wash it out. He'll probably want to hang the sheet up to dry. It's nice of him to clean the sheet. Uh-oh, his mom is home. Well, she's in the backyard. She doesn't know all the mess that's going on inside. He'll go outside to put it on the clothesline. When he's out in the yard, he'll see your mother's blackberry bushes. Uh-oh. Seeing the blackberries will remind him of her jam. Oh, he loved the jam. He'll probably ask you for some... Oh, no. And chances are, if you give him the jam, he'll want a muffin to go with it. And you're going to spend the entire day with a moose in your house. That's pretty fun. If you give a moose a muffin!